Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, I'm gonna give you guys a quick update regarding BTC, and then we're probably gonna talk about Ethereum also. Market is slightly bearish, but it is not incredibly bearish. Okay, we're gonna take a look at BTC on a lower degree, and we're also gonna take a look at it on on a high time frame and why we're still pretty bullish and could be seeing some incredible prices over the next like a few weeks and so on. So it is just going to be a quick warning for all the bears, for all the greedy bears, right? Looking for 30k and all that good stuff, right? So now, if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, join our public Telegram group, link in the description in any of my videos, right? If you just basically click on the Telegram link right here, you can join our Telegram group or join our Discord group by click on the link right here. All right, so now let's go ahead and dive into the analysis, right? So now let's take a look at BTC on a lower degree first on the 2-day time frame, right? So if you take a look at BTC on the 2-day time frame, bear is going to be celebrating, right? Because that's the almost like the third candles right in a row we're closing below the 2-day 21. So that's the first time, guys, bears are able to basically close below the 2-day 21 EMA since basically September, October right here. Okay, after we pump above the 21 EMA, we basically started the bull run. Right now, could it be the end of the bull run? I don't think it is the end of the bull run. I think we're still consolidating. And if you notice well, guys, I said it previously, since like mid-February, okay, it's been over 60 days, okay, BTC been moving sideways. If you do a swing low to swing high, right, you do a swing low right here at 43 to swing high right there, right, up to 64, price action is at mid-range. Okay, even though most bulls are panicking right now, guys, over the last 60 days, the mid-range, midpoint for BTC is where it is exactly at 53. So it means like anything below 53, it is going to be extremely bullish going into the next cycle for the next move up to 100k and all of that good stuff. So bears need to be extremely cautious, basically shorting BTC below like a 53 and so on. Can it drop lower? Yes, it can drop all the way down to 50k or even down to 47, but it might not stay there too long. So something to basically keep in mind going into the the last few days of the month, right? So now talking about the last few days of the month, let's take a look at the 3-week cycle. The 3-week cycle, it is one of the most important cycle, right, during a bull market. Okay, we don't want to see a tweezer top on the 3-week cycle, as we said previously right here. If you guys remember back in 2019 how we basically nailed it, right? We said a tweezer top, that's not good. Basically right here 2020, before the March crash, what we said, tweezer top is not good, and we crashed. Okay, back in 2019 we also dumped. Okay, back in 2018 we also got a tweezer right here, we dump. Okay, we got another one right there, dump, right there, dump. So are we going to see the same thing? It could be different this time. Okay, remember also, okay, what we got right here, right, back in August, right, we did have a tweezer top, we were bearish all the way down to 10k, but we flipped bull after that. Why did we flip bull? Because we switched on our basically 50-day cycle, and our 50-day cycle was telling us, even though we got a bearish setup on our 3 weeks time frame, right, we got to switch on our 50-day cycle. And if we close above 10.5 right there, okay, if we close above 10.5, we're most likely going to see some higher prices on our 50-day cycle. So now we just have to be cautious, guys. We just have to be cautious. I'm extremely bullish, but we just have to avoid, okay, a strong bearish momentum going into the first week of May, because this cycle going to close May 5th, May 6th, right? So I don't think like we're going to close like engulfing it all the way down to like a 44 within the next 2 weeks and so on. Even if we drop down, we're most likely going to see a big reversal. Okay, we're most likely going to be seeing a big reversal. The volume is extremely low, candle is extremely big. It means like if we dump lower, most likely bulls gonna be buying the dip. So bears just have to be extremely cautious after an engulfing candle right here. if you notice, well, we talked about it previously on our weekly time frame, right? What we said right here after the engulfing candle, what we said, we're going to be buying the dip. Okay, we're going to be buying the dip, and we bought the dip at 43 after a beautiful bearish engulfing candle. We could be getting the same thing on the 3 weeks time frame, where we're going to get a nasty 3 weeks candle, right? But gonna get bought up really quickly, and we're gonna be pumping back up above 60K and so on. So I'm still bullish. It is only the first 3 weeks bearish candle, guys, since like September. Okay, so last time we got a bearish 3 weeks candle was like August, guys. So I'm still bullish, right, till we get a clean confirmation of a potential more downtrend, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at BTC on a 6-hour basis and all that good stuff. If you notice, well, for BTC bulls, they could create a potential bullish divergence if and only if we do not break the low right here. Okay, if we do not break the lows right there, right, we're most likely going to get a beautiful bullish divergence both on our MACD and on our RSI, right? RSI, it is still looking pretty strong. RSI still looking pretty strong right there. Not confirmed yet. MACD is still looking pretty strong, but slightly weak. Okay, I can see like some weakness on the MACD with the curvature right here. Okay, that's not good, at least within the next few hours and so on. So we got to flip bullish again, try to avoid the lower lows on the MACD right there. Otherwise we could create some lower lows, and that's not good at all, like going into the the next few days and all that good stuff, right? So keep an eye on the 6-hour time frame. Let's take the 4-hour. The 4-hour, we still got a bullish divergence on our 4-hour. I do not like the 4-hour, but we just have to pay attention to it this time, right? Because we do have a bullish divergence right there. Okay, so if we can keep up the momentum right there, it might not be a strong bullish divergence, but it could just give us more correction. It means like we could still get this 3-way move back up, right, with a potential flat correction, and still drop down and pump to the upside. Okay, that's why I don't like these 4-hour time frame, because sometimes they do not give you a trend reversal, they just give you a trend correction. Okay, so let's keep that in mind, right? Need to basically stay above 50K over the next like a few hours, and we could basically get another correction back up to basically a mid 55 and all that good stuff, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, as we said, on a 2-day basis, Ethereum, it is still looking pretty strong, still above our 2-day 21 EMA right there, just like Chainlink. We said we're gonna get rejected right there, and if we do get some rejection, we could potentially retest the mid-range, low 2000 range, okay, to higher 1900 range, right? We did that exactly. So now we're just consolidating. So we're still looking pretty strong, even though BTC is slightly weak, right? On a 2-day basis, we're still looking pretty strong on Ethereum. So Ethereum support, it is still it is still just about like 1888 up to 1971 if we see any further drop. So if we break all-time high, definitely we're going to be looking for a 3000 range over the next like a few weeks and so on. So Ethereum, it is still a good hold, it is still a good buy. Any dips going to be pretty aggressive buy, right, for the bulls, right? So now let's take a look at Ethereum on a lower degree. Okay, so if you take a look at Ethereum on a 6-hour time frame, I don't see anything bearish. Price action above the 21 EMA. MACD still bullish. Okay, RSI, it is still pretty strong. Okay, beautiful double bottom at the 6-hour 100 EMA. So Ethereum, I don't have anything to say regarding the bearishness. The only thing we could say about Ethereum is like we could look at it as a 3-way move up and another potential retest. Okay, that's the only thing I can see bearish regarding Ethereum. That's why I'm saying, like, if we retest anywhere around like 1888 to 1971, it is going to be a still regarding Ethereum going into the summer, because we could definitely try to hit our 4K up to 5K Ethereum over the next like a few weeks and so on. Low sell volume during the correction right here, so we still looking pretty healthy. All right guys, I'm just gonna keep it short today. You know, make sure to hit the likes, make sure to join our public Telegram group, link in the description if you're looking to join Send Crypto Premium. Also link of the Discord group in the description. You can join the Discord group, so you know you can basically get all that good stuff regarding your market structure, you know, alt setups and all that good stuff, right? All right guys, thanks a lot for watching.